Malo, John with them Louis. Be glad John where you asking me blo me write him small something you blo give hand you with them Louis blo try help more man lo place blo blo save good lo God more one him plan blo him lo side blo Kastom. So time you asking me think about I think you been talk about lo training ding. You may read him Deuteronomy chapter 18 or talk where God make him. But me got some small thinking, but try and pull him small. But make him clear all man. Mommy hope say. Time usually go through him, might it take him 2 or 3 days, but go through lo small book when we make him. But me hope say he making me clear long all get that. But you really must cast him good first time. It must come clear you for the first time. So a short video here by me try and clear him a little bit, you explain him a little bit what him thinking below me. For some things say I think by me try and follow him big first stampa story and the Bible, the same way you will learn him lo train him thinking, below making me clear. But first something me want them making me clear lo man, Emia say custom thinking. Where you may tell him say, no good, kind custom thinking, where you may tell him say, no good, yeah? Emi no one you for something. Emi no come out with them old man Leo. In no come out with them old man Vanuatu. In no come out with them old man Papua New Guinea or Africa or where place. No, Emi stop long time. Finish. Jesus tell him, the first verse when we put them law study, Emi tell him say, Emi Jesus. Jesus talk he say, all mania. No, hemi talk all Christian, all religious mania, all Jewish leaders. Hemi tell him say, you will stop honoring me, lo mouth you no more. Be or something where you will stop making emia all fasten blow all man blow before. Or some all flat thing. Or some I think God the time say, you will stop gammon on me. You will think say me blind. But me look on him something where you stop making. But Jesus, emi no make him talk yeah. Emi take him talk yeah below Isaiah. More second verse where him stop below something yeah. Emi Isaiah. Where Isaiah he tell him same something. God he tell him he tell him out all man. Man, you follow yeah. You will stop honoring me. You will stop bow down to me. You will stop worshiping me. You will stop making one sacrifice on me. But emi agya man. Emi agyaman from me look lively you fella, me look all thinking you fella, me look where you stop bow down all now for God too, me start look where you stop taking more fasten blow all God blow all man where you stop run about like you. Emi custom thinking blow get that. So I think it's a maglum you me. You me love Vanuatu no more. You me love every place in the world. You me got all custom thinking blow. You me love different place. Now, some man will stop telling Christian, but really, only kiaman lo God. Now, something you come out where? So, I mean, no come out with him, you mean? I mean, no come out the time of Jesus, he stop finish. I mean, no come out the time of Isaiah from all man, only make him finish. All man, only pick him up, all man, where he stop round about Lord Geda, all hidden man, where he stop round about Lord Geda. But he come out where? I mean, now study. Try work about say me come out where. More you miss have finished. Say me big first stampa story and the Bible, let me tell him where God me create him every something. And me create him. Blow you me start look out him or something where me create him. More blow you me bow down like him from where me boss. You me must honor like him. You must obey like him. You me no want them. Want them now? Number 2 Pixaya. Pixa blotawaya. Yeah me think blow man. Only follow him fasten where Adam or Eve make him. He say, push him out God, he no want them God. Me want them follow him thinking blow me. Emian now stamba blow all custom thinking. Now, my old man, la place all thing say, no. Me flee make him straight no more. Emia habo, he give him la mifla. Be, Satan is straight, he spoil him thinking blow all man blow before. More hemi stuff come out. Emi wrong from where he no obey the God, he no honor him God, but he honor him some different spirit or different thing. where all man only thinks he true stuff. Now after law, money fall down, God make him promise, say, God, one day, God by he pull more money come back to him through Lord Jesus Christ. But law metal time. You will look where time emi start send them all man Israel go to promised ground. Emi tell him, emi give him 3 something, but give hand to you. Emi a law, emi a king, all king, more emi all prophet. Now lo study, you look lo 3 something, ya law, king, more prophet. Lo lawyer, God emi tell him lo Moses, lo 10 commandment. First something emi tell him say, me one me God. So emi pick him up something ya law creation, where God make him every something. More from where he make him every something, emi sabi tell him say, you know sabi got wonderful God. Be me and no more. So emi first something where he tell him. Now second, law king. Now you look all king here. Mommy just pick him up one king. He got full of king Israel were full of no good way no good. But one king blow get them he take him emi Solomon. Emi married him full of girl blow all high man blow all hidden country. Or get all this stuff pull him ting blow Solomon out blow God. He got all Giaman gods blow all get that. So emi go la him. After me go law. Prophet I say, all prophet only talk about one him. All prophet only think about promise where God will make him say, yes, you fully God no good way. By me so we try and best pull him back you for la. By me bless him you for la. Be lo metal time, yeah. Too much no good something, all man only go from all no good fastens blow, all man where stuff round about Lord get that, only no one them God, only push him out God, nothing way, all this stuff follow him, all fasten blow. Worship Lord God or some more sacrifice or something or some God and me tell him Lord prophet say you go tell him Lord man say you feel giaman lo me you feel giaman lo me more from something yeah by me send him out you feel outlaw country by you stop underneath law one big king blow one foreign country one no good king whereby stop give him hard time lo ibla. Now you become lo time lo Jesus. Jesus emi come plus straight him every something. Plus straight him every something with the old man where he believe him. But him tell him say, me come plus spoil him walk plus Satan. More you look inside the Lord miracle him. He got some man where only he got no good spirit all dirty spirit all get that. More him come plus send him out Satan. So now you may go all way law. New for heaven, more new for the ground where Bamba he come out, be law revelation he tell him, by no God kind man where make him custom fasten, or rubbish fasten, where you miss obviously all man round about the world, any place in the world, or white man or black man, or yellow man, all man will start rubbish fasten, by no God kind man ya law heaven. From one him? You know, kind man ya, no so we come closer to God. Be by go to heaven or someone him. From Jesus. Suppose Jesus he clean him all get. So you may believe that Jesus he clean him you may. He clean him out all dirty blow, custom dirty blow, all fast and no good. Yeah? Now you may say we go law kingdom blah him or heaven blah him. So a full story on. Law metal story on me tell him one something say every custom, every culture, every something where you may make him ain't no none good. He got full up something good for something where God may give him to you me. More you may start telling him thank you to him. They got something like every culture where you Mr. call him Kastom, where him no good. Him also all fasten no good. More you mean ni-Vanuatu, him fasten block clever, more poison, more find him out something, pull him ting blow, one him or spirit blow, dead man or navla kind spirit or one him. Him no good. Me not tell him every something by him from where he clear like Deuteronomy. Where or something yeah no good. More clear to the revelation where we tell him say kind custom mania in the service table of heaven. But suppose God suppose all money or leg or something yeah. Or asking God blow forgive him all get that. Now God they make glad blow. Say come inside the kingdom from me. Okay, me hope say him give hand a little bit. After you reading book back again, suppose you know clear, go listen to the video you back again. Suppose no clear, okay, send him a message come to me by you me talk to him. Ale, tata, malo.